in my hand. Where I touch, germs will land. I put my arm across my face so those germs don't fly out in space. Germ attack, germ attack. I must fight back, I must fight back. Germ, 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 germ attack. Achoo! Holy flu germs, that man just sneezed and he didn't cover his mouth.
Flu germs went everywhere. Die.
Hi parents, hi kids. It's the fourth year nursing students from the University of Manitoba. I'm Tiffany Garcia and this is Amanda Ruiz. And today our health promotion teaching lesson will be on proper coughing and sneezing techniques. So today in our scenario, I will be playing the nurse, as you can see by my handy dandy stethoscope, and Amanda will be playing
the child. That's the very sick child.
That's good. All right, so on to the lesson. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling okay. How are you feeling, Amanda?
I'm sick.
You're sick?
I don't feel well.
Oh no, what are you feeling like right now?
I'm coughing and sneezing, and I just don't feel well.
Sounds to me like you have a cold or the flu. Yeah, it's actually very common for kids to get sick around this time of year. Not just kids, adults too, because as the weather starts to get cold, there's lots and lots of germ bugs out there. And I guess I'm not happy that you're sick, but it is perfect timing that you are sick. Oh. That's a pretty nasty cough you have there, Amanda. Oh, and a nasty sneeze too. Oh, bless you. Okay, so since we are doing the coughing and sneezing lesson, I see that you're not really coughing and sneezing properly, and I saw that you just wiped your nose with your hand. And the actual proper way to be coughing and sneezing is to be coughing into the nook of your elbow. So if you feel like you have to cough, what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to put your mouth right into your elbow and you cough just like this.
Like this?
Perfect. That is the right way to be coughing. And sneezing is the same way. So do you feel like you have to sneeze? Oh, right into the elbow.
Like that?
Just like that. Now, do you know why we're doing that, Amanda?
Why?
Okay, because if you're sneezing and you're not covering your mouth, sneezing or coughing and not covering your mouth, or if you're using your hands to cover your mouth, all those icky germs that make you sick are all over your hands.
And when I play Ring Around the Rosie with my friends, then I'm spreading all the icky germs to them.
And you don't want to be making them sick, right?
No, because germs are yucky.
They are very yucky. So as long as you're coughing and sneezing the way that we talked about, right into your elbow, you'll be stopping the transmission, or the spread, should I say, of germs. Oh, and there I see, okay, you're wiping your nose, and it's the same thing. That's right. So if ever you feel like you have to blow your nose, that's when you use a Kleenex.
A Kleenex?
That's right.
Oh. So I can like sneeze into this and then
and blow your nose
blow
right.
my nose?
That's right.
And then I put this in the garbage?
That's right. You want to make sure that you're putting it into the garbage and that you're washing your hands after you do that to help stop the spread of germs, right?
Because germs are yucky.
Germs are yucky and they make you
sick.
They make you sick.
Really quick, too.
That's right.
If I sneeze or cough in my hand, where I touch, germs will land. I put my arm across my face so those germs don't fly out in space. Germ attack, germ attack. I must fight back, I must fight back. Germ, 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 germ attack.